Does it say you guys are live?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, great.
Yes.
So since I'm having computer problems, I can't pull up the prep on my computer because it's just currently freaking out. It has a blue screen. I don't think I had any questions though. Did any of you guys have any?
Not that I can think of right now. I didn't really have any.
Okay.
Maybe. So we're doing 18. Okay.
Yeah, we're doing 18.
There's 20 questions.
On the quiz?
Yeah.
Okay, let me pull. I at least want to have the textbook open because I don't have the prep. This computer. No, the computer just freaked out. It's the weirdest thing. This random blue screen just came over it and it won't get off the blue screen.
No, that's not fun.
Yeah, I would have totally done the video, but I have no idea what even to do. Sorry.
It's fine. It's kind of complicated to like explain through a text message. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why I said check out the technology folder, but yeah, it's just a bunch of steps.
Yeah. And it was just my husband's not even home, so it's fine. He should have been too. He's fine. He's not home, but whatever. I just went in his book bag and got it.
Right.
Okay. Group meeting quiz.
Oh,
sorry, I'm pulling it up right now. Okay. All right. I am ready. If you guys are.
I'm ready.
Yeah. I'm looking at it.
Let's do a study with different dates. Wait, what is PTC? That's just me being curious.
Oh.
The PTC.
I just want to know what that is. Anyway.
This is the bitter taste.
Yeah, the
Thing.
tasting one. It's a really long word. It's like phenylcarbamide.
Oh.
How to say it?
Apparently, it's got some sulfur in it, so it would probably taste pretty nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway. Alright.
So.
Let P1 be the proportion of females that can taste, and let P2 be the proportion of population.
So, question 3, would that be, isn't that 94?
Yeah.
The data and the table to find P
total.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Use the data in the table to find P hat.
Well, is that the same even with that carrot?
I'm pretty sure it is. I was just looking, but I'm fairly certain it's the same with the carrot.
P1 equals the X1 over the N1.
X1 over N1.
Yeah.
Oh, so it wouldn't be. So it would be 94
divided
94 over 129, right?
Yes, because that's the total
sample.
Yeah, wrong.
Which is, oh, got a big number.
I got 0.729.
That's what I got.
And then the
And P2 is X2 over N2, so the same thing, just with the.
So 35 over 129.
Yeah.
I got 0.271.
That's what I got.
Which set of hypothesis is appropriate for addressing the research question? Is the proportion of females who taste different than the proportion of males who can taste?
Yeah.
It is
So
zero.
it would be not equal. It would be the P1 not equal to P2, right?
Yes, but carrot or no carrot?
I would say no caret because
It's like the initial
that's
question.
just their own score, or that's just their own total.
Well, and then the question it says just P1, just P2.
Yeah.
So if that helps at all.
So I would say the P. So I would say the first one.
Okay.
Alright, create a 95% confidence interval for P1 minus P2. Input your answers. The point estimate, measure, blah, blah, blah. Yay, all different questions.
Isn't there an Excel we put this in?
Yeah. For the categorical.
Full one. Oh, I have too many things open. Oh, I didn't say the Excel thing, and now I can't find it. Where are you?
Oh, you mean in the text?
Yeah.
If you go to 2.2 under step 5, it says categorical data analysis.
2.2, where are you? Oh, got it. Thank you.
Alright.
Wait. Okay.
Wait, now I went to like an SPSS tools. Did I go to the wrong
Yeah.
thing?
Just do
Yeah.
the categorical data one.
There's like 2 next to each other.
Oh, I clicked on the wrong one. That's why. Thank you.
These ones
So
still
what?
confuse me. So is it 2 sample? Because,
Because there's 2 samples.
yeah. And then X1 would be.
So X1,
Question.
because females is first, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it would be females. So X1 would be 52.
And N1, is that the 129?
No, and yeah, the 129. And X2 was the
And then, right?
No, that doesn't make sense. Because then where do you put the males?
Wouldn't that be like the X2?
well, the X1. X1 is the female, right?
Yeah.
So X1 would be.
Wait, did we do those wrong? Use the data in the table to find P1. I do that wrong because the total would be 70 because when you go across, it uses the female and male total. If you go down, it's the female total or the male total.
Oh, duh, you're right.
Wrong.
Oh.
So it would be the 70 over 129 and 59 over 129, right?
So that's like 1 and 2, right? That we gotta fix.
Yeah. So 1
Is 70.
would be 70 because that's the female. So 70 over 129.
129. Which is 0.543.
Yes.
And
And then the other one would be 59,
over 129.
which is 0.457.
Okay. Got that one.
So then this, that's right, the P, okay. And then to do that, you're going to have to do the X,
Would be 70.
the X1. What did we use X1 as? In
The
the
women.
So X1 would be 18.
X1 over N1, X2 over. So
So wouldn't it?
you get 18. What? I'm confused.
Why is it 18? Because 18 is
The
can't
number.
taste. Isn't
Wouldn't
the
it
question
be
about
7?
who can?
What? P1 minus. Isn't it the total? 70?
So N1 equals the sample size for group 1.
Okay.
Which
N2
is
is the sample size for group 2.
which is 59. Okay.
So you're saying X1 would be 70 and X2 would be 59?
Well, I'm confused because before we were saying the N.
Is the sample size of each of the groups. So I think that would be the number of people who can, because isn't it like the sample of the total?
Okay, so it would be X1 would be the yes. X2 would be, so X1 would be yes females, X2 would be yes male, and then it would be over either, you know what I'm saying?
No, because in the first two problems, X1 was the 70 and X2 was the 59. So that's why I'm confused why it wouldn't be the same for this.
So if you look in the textbook, under the very first thing, under step 3, it says when working with quantitative data, it's natural to assume that by computing portions, the sample portion was defined by the number of successes observed divided by the total number of observations. For females, the portion would be this, X1 over N1. And then for males, it would be X2 over N2.
Mm-hmm.
So it would actually be 52 over 70, and then it would be 42 over 59 is what the answers to 3 should be.
Because that makes sense to me, because that's like the... Wait, I always trip myself up. Those numbers make sense. I'm just trying to make sure they make sense in that order. Is N1...
Oh, why is I don't.
So it's saying like 51 out of 66 can. So that would be us saying 52 out of 70 can. So then N1 would be 70.
So you're saying N2, X1 would be 52? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, looking at the example in the book it gives you.
Okay.
That would mean for the men it's 42 out of 59.
Okay, let me see. One second. Let me pull up the thing
And the
again.
confidence level is
Saying N over N1, which was 70. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And the next two, 42 over 59.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then the confidence level is 95, and then the type of test
Is not
equal. Okay. That gives us answers. I hope they're right.
so we want the point estimate.
Seriously, stack that. So the point estimate,
So wait, where does it say it? I see the confidence interval.
like the low bound and the high bound.
The p-value.
No. Okay, so you can also change the type of test, which doesn't do anything but change the p-value.
Well, I don't
But
know
we
if the
do
p-value
need
is
to change it to not equal to.
Yeah.
So what is the point estimate? Would it be the Dang it. I know I wrote this down in the... We got margin of error. That one. Which one is this? Which one is the point estimate?
I'm trying to find an example. But
Here, let me just grab my notes real quick. I'll be right back. All right. Oh, goodness. Oh no! Oh, dang it, dang it, dang it.
Okay, so the point estimate in
My
the
husband.
Excel is the p hat.
the point estimate's the p hat.
But I'm assuming p hat 1. Oops, there she goes.
Hmm.
So that's what I have in my notes. Yeah. It's just different in a 2, but that was for like a 1 proportion test. So for a 2 proportion, I'm guessing it's the p hat. I just don't know which one.
I think it would be the first one.
I mean, that's what I'm thinking, but I'm not sure.
I think we should just try it. 0.743. At least then we know.
Yep.
So then the lower margin
What is the margin?
is negative
1.123,
0.123, right?
Yep.
It just said it asked for the margin of error.
Oh, the margin of error is the higher bound minus the lower bound divided by 2.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
0.85 minus negative.
So that's good to have. But
I got 0.308.
You said 0.08.
0.308.
Oh, 0.308.
Yeah.
I got lower bound, upper bound.
3. Upper bound is 0.185. So let's see, we failed to reject, right?
If it's greater than 0.05, yeah. So we failed to.
Wait, which one? Failed to reject HO, right?
HA.
No, isn't it?
Isn't it the alternative though?
Yeah, we're trying to figure out the alternative.
Oh,
So it
so
would
that is HA. Yeah.
the third one.
Okay.
That's the following.
It's insufficient evidence, right?
Yeah, it's insufficient. Trying to figure out. Suggest that true
It's
portion.
like, it suggests. What was the question asking again?
I think it's the.
The question says, is the proportion of females who can taste PTC different from the proportion of males who can taste PTC?
So I think it's the third one, right?
Wouldn't it be insufficient though?
That's insufficient.
Oh, so the last one. Sorry.
It's just,
That's what I meant to say.
yeah, the fourth one.
Sorry.
Very good.
Okay.
That's a sad topic. Okay.
Next 9 questions. Wow. All right.
Kind of basically what we just did a little bit. Okay.
The conditions for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied. Oops.
Well, it's over the not 30.
So the conditions for conducting a hypothesis test.
Oh, I got a text saying that our design the study, we got 100 on it.
Oh, we did?
Yeah, I just got that text. Sorry.
What?
Is that just like the thing we uploaded?
I think just what we just turned in, yeah.
So I forgot to upload something. So I uploaded what was resent today, and I was like,
Oh, I never uploaded anything, so
well, yeah,
apparently.
I said it was late, and so I was like, well, we didn't have it yet, so I uploaded it today.
Oh, yeah. Well, I didn't upload anything,
Yeah, I didn't either.
and I got 100 on it, so I'm guessing you didn't. Well, because I read her email though, and it said only one person needs to turn in whatever. Not
Oh.
everybody does. I did read that today in an email. So each part, only one person has to turn it in.
Yeah, I just sent like the red thing on my
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, that's good of me. So I think it's true, but I'm not 100% sure.
Because,
I was just about. I think it's true.
yeah. Which the hypothesis is appropriate. So P1,
Because it has
heart attack. On
like,
the weekday.
the X and the N. And then it has like the bigger population and the smaller sample taken from that. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I think it's the fourth one. Are we on 13?
I am, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's the fourth one, but I'm not.
Because they're trying to see if
Less than.
less than on a weekday. On the weekend.
But I guess we kind of need to know what P1 and P2 is.
P1 is the proportion of patients who had a heart attack on a weekday and died, well, were admitted. And then P2 is the patients who had a heart attack and were admitted on a weekend who died. So it's weekday
so
versus weekend.
Got to be the fourth one.
Yeah.
So P1 would be.
When it's X, and they have X identified as died.
Mm-hmm.
It would be
So
16713 over 118519.
Yeah.
That's going to be a big number.
That's a really big number.
Okay, 167.
I got 0.141.
Okay. I got.
Wait, what did you get?
141.
Oh, that's what I got. And P2.
And then on the other one, I got 0.145.
Yeah, I got that too.
So this is the part where we entered an Excel thing. I'm confused, like why you would put your X, like how do you find out your X1? Oh, I guess on here it kind of died.
Whatever your alternative hypothesis is your X.
So it's the week.
Because on the other problem, they were trying to figure out the female PTC. Is that what it's called? PTC levels or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why we use the female one as X. And then for this one, we're trying to figure out who died versus
on a weekday. Yeah, it says the proportion of patients who have a heart attack and admitted on a weekday die less than the proportion of patients who have a heart attack and admitted to hospital on the weekend.
Yeah, so then they don't, in this situation, they don't want to search anything with the survived ones versus weekday and weekend. They just want to do the died. Dead.
So we don't need to have the survived. So we just do like what we just divided: 16713.
Group
Yeah.
one.
And then N1 would be 118519.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
16713. They should have let us copy it, geez.
What's our confidence interval? Do we know that?
Probably 95.
X2, 69.
I got the Z-score as negative 2.020. Oh, sorry.
Type of test is it P1 is less than P2?
Yes, less than.
So what'd you get for your Z-score?
Sorry, hang on, I'm changing the less than thing. Negative 2.020.
What I got?
I just read this. This is in the textbook. Less than, you shade the left.
Okay. Well, that makes sense.
What is the p-value?
And we're assuming that's the p hat 1.
Well, no, the p-value.
Oh, wait, the p-value is right there.
Z-score.
Did we do that wrong last time? No, that one was asking for the point. Okay. Point estimate. That's different.
Oh, Andrea just texted and said, my computer just totally turned off and froze. I am coming back. That girl has so much computer problems.
My computer's terrible too when it comes to streaming stuff. I don't know why.
Yeah, my husband's trying to fix my computer. Oh, what was wrong?
Unlock the battery.
What? How did I do that? Oh, not bad.
Oh,
Okay, so the p-value is going to be
I got it.
0.02, right?
Yeah. Mhm.
I figure we might as well.
We'll finish it up and then pop it out.
What is the decision for this test? Did they give the level of significance?
I thought it was always going to be 0.05.
0.05.
Yeah.
So then it would,
Okay. Can you guys hear me?
yes.
Oh, you're on here twice. Which was the last question you got to before it cut off?
Oh, she left. I'm texting her that we can hear her.
How did she do that? She got on here twice.
Yeah, I don't know how that happened. You doing it tonight or
Hello.
No, she left.
We can hear you. I can't hear you.
No. Can't hear us.
Let's try one more time. Can you
Can you hear
hear
us now? I'm gonna take that as
Okay, I can hear you now. Maybe.
Okay.
That was so weird. It like I don't even know what happened, but I lost all my answers. Oh gosh, I don't. So what did you get on question number 3?
so
I was so mad. I was like in the middle of it.
3 was 0.542.
No, so remember we did that wrong?
Oh. No,
Did
I
you not
thought.
change
No, I don't think I changed. I thought I changed it.
So it's 0.743.
Oh, it just seemed like stupid numlock.
52 divided by 70?
His numlock was on. Okay.
And then 0.712.
For 4.
Yeah.
I'm special.
And then it's the first one for number 5. Number 6, we got 0.743.
0.743?
Yeah, 7.743. And then 0.308. And then negative 0.123.
Okay.
0.185.
Okay.
The third one.
Okay.
The last one.
Okay.
True.
Okay.
The last one.
Okay.
0.141.
141?
Yes.
141.
0.145.
Okay.
Negative 2.020.
Negative 2.2.
2.020.
020. Okay, and that's when you put in. Let me see if I did that. Oh gosh. That probably deleted my whole thing anyways. And that has like the z-score is well, okay. Just see. Okay, got that. Okay.
So 17 is to the left.
And why do we say that give the z-score from less than
Because it's less than.
Okay, okay, that makes sense. Got it. Okay.
P-value is 0.022.
Okay.
And now we're on 19.
We're on 19.
Okay, and we fail to reject, right? Because it's greater.
Yep.
There's insufficient.
So it would be there sufficient, right? Or insufficient?
Insufficient. We're failing to reject.
So it's either the first or second one. You have a heart attack on a weekday, you die is less than.
Yeah, it's the second one.
It's the second one. Okay, I'll submit.
Oh boy, fingers crossed.
$76.
Which ones did we miss?
20.
Okay.
Maybe it's sufficient.
It is sufficient because we also got 19 wrong.
So
Okay.
it's sufficient. Okay, so just switch those around.
The 19 would be reject.
And then we also got 10. 10. We got 10 wrong.
10. So 10's got to be reject, the HA then.
Yeah.
But how is it? Because it's great.
Or would it just be the HO?
I'm pretty
Because
sure
I have,
I'm the alternative.
so then it's just reject instead of.
Or I'm sure it's the alternative, not the null hypothesis. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has to be, because like that's what the question is the alternative.
What else did we miss?
Did we miss 11 though?
No.
Then it can't be reject. It has to be free failed reject the HL.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try that then.
And then we got 6 and 7 wrong.
Okay.
So maybe 6 is the second.
Well,
instead
it
of-
works in the other one though, so I don't know.
Did we put the numbers in wrong?
Maybe
What if we did? Then
the others would be wrong. I think.
in the
Yeah, because in the
Yeah,
lower bound and
If
stuff
we
would
put
be
the
wrong.
numbers in wrong, then we would have gotten 8 and 9 wrong, but we didn't.
So
I don't really know how
First-
to do those.
but
Those-
the margin of error is the lot higher minus the lower bound, right?
That's what
the
What did you
yeah,
guys
my
what did you put for your margin of error?
0.3.
0.47,
What?
0.308.
Yeah, 0.308. Okay, that's what I put.
Wait, I just did it again. It's wrong.
Oh,
It's 0.062.
Okay. So
Oh,
there's
wait. No. I didn't put the negative in. 1.85 minus negative
yeah.
0.123 equals 0.308.
Let me try to do it and make sure that I get the same thing.
Are we doing the margin of error wrong?
Essentially.
I just have in my notes that it's higher bound minus lower bound divided by 2.
Oh, well, we didn't divide it by 2. It's 0.154. We forgot to divide by 2.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
So 0.154.
So then what did we do wrong for 6? The point estimator is like the little p-hat thing.
I don't get that.
But when we did the other p-hat, that first one was right. So maybe we just put something in wrong.
So the 90% of the difference between this was two. Where does it talk about that in the text? I can't find that anywhere.
I couldn't find it either.
It doesn't even like.
That was just from my tutoring. That
Oh.
the point estimator is the little p-hat. But when I did it, it was just a 1 proportion. So that's why I said with 2, I don't know if it's the first one or second one, but when we did it a second time, it was right, wasn't it?
Subtract 2. Subtract the 2 and see if that gets you the right answer.
But the second, did it ask for it down there?
Actually, it might not have asked it for the point estimator. I think it asked for the p-value. So maybe we did.
E-score, the z-score, the p-value. Yeah, it doesn't ask for that.
Yeah. So then the point estimator, we just, I don't know then what to do for a 2 proportion.
What is the point estimate for 95? Ah, doesn't even make sense. we-
Really fast, can we go over the answer so I can reason that?
Yeah.
What's number 3?
Number 3 is, where are you? 0.743,
3. Okay.
0.712.
Okay.
The first one.
The first one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we're trying to figure out number 6. Number
Yeah.
7 is 0.154.
Okay.
And then negative 0.123.
Okay.
0.5.
Okay.
And then the first one is what we chose.
Okay.
And 11 was the last one.
Okay.
12 is true. 13 the fourth one.
Okay.
And then 0.141.
Sorry, what was it?
0.141.
Okay.
15 is 0.145.
Okay.
16 is negative 2.020.
Okay.
17 is to the left.
Okay.
18 is 0.022.
Okay.
19 is reject.
Okay.
And then the last one is the third one.
Okay, number 6.
Trying to find.
You would think you'd have to use both numbers, right?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out how.
743 minus 0.712 equals 0.031. Is that something? It's got to talk about it though. I feel like. Right?
So, I think maybe, I'm not sure. It's saying the point estimate is the difference between the two sample proportions.
The difference would be 0.031.
So do we want to try that
Let me try it.
for 6?
So 0.031. That's the bigger one minus the small. Yeah, that's good.
Alright, let's try it. Going to submit.
That's the only one we get wrong. I'm going to be pretty happy with this one.
I got 100% that time.
Sweet.
So we just minus the 2.
Did you subtract the smaller from the bigger for that?
No, I subtracted the bigger one from the small one.
Okay, so for point estimator, that's just for a 2 proportion.